Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is being used to deal with many health conditions from ancient times. It works in many cases and doesn't in some. So, is using baking soda for dandruff effective, or is it a myth? Let's examine if baking soda can get rid of dandruff. Dandruff is a common condition that causes the skin on the scalp to flake. It is considered to be a mild form of seborrheic dermatitis. Dermatitis, dry skin and fungus are some of the main causes of dandruff. Certain health conditions and even medications may also cause dandruff, but they are more specific cases needing specific treatments. Our focus is on natural treatment of normal common dandruff. Use of baking soda to get rid of dandruff is partially supported with the fact that baking soda is antifungal. A 2013 study published in journal Mycopathologia indicates that baking soda has antifungal properties. There is another 2015 study published in Journal of Dermatological Treatment which is not directly linked to dandruff but can logically support the use. According to the findings of the study, itchiness and irritation of psoriasis patients were reduced with baking soda baths. While it is true that baking soda is antifungal and has helped people with psoriasis to reduce itchiness and irritation, it still isn't enough reason to use baking soda for dandruff. You might get tempted to use another logic, i.e. baking soda is alkaline and dandruff is caused by oily skin which is acidic. So logically it can neutralize the acidity and reduce oiliness. But the danger is your scalp may become too dry. Some clinical studies have indicated that baking soda can make your skin dry and damage your hair. So, trying to experiment with baking soda to treat dandruff is not worth it at the cost of damaging your hair. But if you still want to try it out, then talk to your doctor to monitor your progress. There are other natural home remedies for dandruff that are more soft on your scalp and hair. Bottom line is, you can avoid using baking soda for dandruff. It may not be good for your scalp and can cause damage to your hair. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.